Now, with over $100 million invested for Jamaica to compete at both the CAC and Commonwealth Games starting later this month, the Jamaica Olympic Association is expecting big returns, and some of the sporting associations are promising deliverables. More in this report.
With both games set to run simultaneously, a record number of athletes and officials are set to travel, and it requires a significant sum for the massive undertaking.
Each athlete, irrespective of the sport, must be given an opportunity to transition to the regional and international stage. And this policy has always been a DNA principle of the Jamaica Olympic Association. So what we have done over the years is invested tremendously, particularly this game. It's over 150 million we have invested in this game. And we have ensured that in terms of the federations that are going, particularly to the CAC Games, that they understand the investment and the results that are expected.
Now, despite Netball Jamaica sending a less experienced team than in 2023, the Sunshine Girls are looking to repeat as CAC Games gold medalists.
We have been training a lot, working on focus, fitness, concentration, consistency also.
We're not there as yet, but 2.5 to 3 weeks to go. I see where the girls are improving. We know what is we're going up against down there. Trinidad sent a very good team, so we're putting in the work, and in 2 weeks' time we'll be ready.
The Jamaica Badminton Association will have their hands full this summer, but will look to add to the 3 bronze picked up at the last edition.
We're hosting 2 tournaments here in Jamaica in August, so the preparations for CAC Games have been included with those preparations for the 2 games coming up. So it's been an extremely busy season for us. We're training about 5 times a week, twice a day. Bring 2 athletes to the CAC Games, and we had hoped to carry more, but we weren't in the qualifications for that. But we're sending 2 of our best athletes, 2 of our top athletes in Jamaica, so we hope to put on a good show.
And at least 2 other sporting disciplines are hoping to create history.
It's more than a pleasure. It's not our first time at the CAC Games. However, this time I think we're that much more ready for what is ahead of us there. We have been training good and looking for good things.
Representative Ford, who will participate in air pistol 1.77 caliber. We expect great things from him.
Meanwhile, netballer Shamira Sterling-Humphrey and swimmer Colin McKenzie will be the flag bearers for the Commonwealth Games set for Glasgow, Scotland from July 23 to August 2. While tennis player Blaise Bicknell and rugby player Naomi Dodd are the flag bearers for the CAC Games to be held in Santo Domingo, Dominican Republic from July 24 to August 8. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.